Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to disable all payment gateway except PayPal based on GEO IP country in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. So we are going to disable all payment gateway except PayPal to become available if the GEO IP is outside predefined allow country in custom code. So we are using custom code. So scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snipper, then you see add snipper, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snipper section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snipper. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So we are going to disable payment gateway except PayPal based on user IP geolocation country. Now scroll down. Now you see allowed country code array. So you can add countries according to your requirement. So currently we added USA. Now comma, and then you can add another country, AL for Albania. So all payment gateway only show in these specific countries. Now scroll down and then you see disable payment gateway accept PayPal for all countries except the allowed defined countries. So it's mean all other countries except USA and Albania only show PayPal payment gateway. Now you see condition. Now scroll up, it's mean all payment gateway only show in USA and Albania country, and scroll down for all other countries only PayPal payment gateway show. So you can add PayPal payment gateway ID. Now we add it. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. So our current location is Pakistan. By using this code, only PayPal will be shown on our site. Now you see snippet created and saved. Now go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see review and payment tab, so click on it. Now you see we have two products, and then scroll down, you see only PayPal payment gateway show on our site. Our current location is Pakistan. So all payment gateway only show in predefined countries. Now back to code. Now in code we added USA Albania. So all payment gateway only show on these countries. If you want you can add more countries, and other countries only show PayPal payment gateway. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.